Hey everyone, I actually didn't film an intro to this video, so I'm doing it at the end, so I know everything's gone kind of smooth, but I'm gonna do it now. Basically, got a friend coming over today and he's got a BMW 1 Series and I'm gonna be looking at installing ambient lights on his car. He's got a different kit. All of them run off one power unit, so it's gonna be something different to do and hopefully I can explain that really nicely for you all. So yeah, I'm just gonna jump to what the car looked like before as well as installing now. If this is something that you might be interested in, then please consider subscribing to see more content from me. But yeah, let's jump into the rest of the video now. So here's where I'm at the moment. So yeah, I've basically had to remove the entire center console. There's a bolt here, 2 bolts at the back, 1 in the center, and a couple just over by the cigarette lighter area. That part does not separate from what I can tell, but I had to do that to feed the wiring for this kit from behind there up under here to actually get it to the cigarette lighter points. And now because this is a different kit, all of the lights are basically connected to the same power unit. I now have to feed everything to the right areas, and then I'll be able to actually look at putting everything back together. So it has been different. It's definitely not one kit that I'm used to, but it's what he brought along with. I'm not going to make him spend money again because you know, he's already bought it, so it's a bit unfair to do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna plan everything out now, and hopefully we'll be able to get a good clean result from this. Let's go.
It looks nice.
Crazy. Let me change it for
So everyone, that was a bit of a eventful day. Really nice meeting the couple here today that brought down the beautiful 1 Series. It was good fun. It was much easier working on a BMW instead of working on a Mercedes. I am gonna say that. The kit, like I said, he supplied it himself. And the one thing is that little cable that you see running across the door, you can probably put that through the rest of the tunnel areas, but with the actual light tube at the end, it's going to be a bit more difficult, so I advised against that because I don't want to cause any damage to the actual lights. But there's the car. Do you guys want to say hello? Introduce yourselves.
I can't do that, I'm sorry.
What do you mean?
Oh, you want...
I want you to introduce yourself.
Oh, my fake name. Sorry, my fake name's Zen.
But yeah, guys, really lovely meeting you. Came all the way from London, so I appreciate the dedication as well. I hope you guys enjoyed yourself. I hope you enjoy it. Have a safe journey, all right?
Take care.
There you go.
That was so ugly.
All right, have a safe journey, guys. Catch you later. It's all good. Bye. Right, everyone, I really hope you did enjoy that video. If you did, thumbs up would be really appreciated. And as well as that, if you can please hit subscribe to see more from me, and leave a comment if you have a car that you want to look at getting done or something like that. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace out. Catch you later.